Hello friends, you all are welcome in your YouTube channel Yaske Gupta. Today in this video I will explain about plastid. So let's start. Plastid, the double membrane bounded cell organelles having DNA that store and synthesized carbohydrate, protein and lipid is called plastid. They are found in plant cell but absent in prokaryotes and animal cell. First of all, the term plastid was introduced by Haeckel in 1866. The plastid are classified into three types: Chloroplast, Chromoplast and Leucoplast. First of all, Chloroplast. The green plastid bounded by double layer membrane is Chloroplast that helps in photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are present in all green colored eukaryotic cells but absent in fungi and animal cells. The shapes of chloroplast varies in different species. In higher plants, generally it is discoid in shape. It is 4 to 10 mm in length and about 2 to 4 mm in breadth. Each cell contains about 20 to 40 chloroplasts. Internally, it consists of stroma, that is also called matrix, and a large number of thylakoids. Matrix is rich in photosynthetic enzyme and site of dark reaction. It consists of 70S ribosome. The RNA, DNA, enzyme, water, minerals, protein, lipids, etc. In the matrix, large number of thylakoid run from one end to another end of chloroplast. At certain place, they bear stake-coin-like structure called grana, which bear photosynthetic pigment. The thylakoid lies outside the grana. It's called stroma lamella. It is also called grana lamella. It is the figure of chloroplast in which there are many parts such as ribosome, lipid droplet, starch grain, stroma, chloroplast envelope, one granum, that is also called stake of disc-like thylakoid, outer membrane, inner membrane. Now, function of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis called kitchen of cell. It helps in production of ATP formation. It maintains O2 and CO2 balance on biosphere and prevent global warming. It helps to reduce CO2 concentration in atmosphere. O2 is evolved by photolysis of water. This much for today. If this video is informative for you, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.